Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, four-wheel disc brakes, remote vehicle start, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.